Music tycoon DJ Khaled, who has always been very outspoken about his love for Jamaica and dancehall music, recently discussed the significant impact the culture has had on his career. In the latest episode of Up Close and Personal for Grammy.com, Khaled explained that in the early years of his career, he would travel between Miami and Kingston to observe soundclash culture. Eventually, his determination and vigor pushed him to evolve from a teenage bedroom turntablist to a popular Miami radio DJ who would dabble in rap and dancehall mixes. Khaled reminisces about his youth growing up listening to and playing dancehall music with hip-hop. As a young kid, I used to basically live in Miami and Jamaica. I soundclashed and DJed in Kingston through the whole beginning of my career, Khaled said. According to Khaled, his popularity quickly grew thanks to a few exclusive dubplates from his Jamaican DJ friends. He stated, "I blew up. My name got big in Miami and the Caribbean because Khaled was known for playing hip-hop and reggae, but also known for his special dubplates." The New Orleans native said he would never forget the support he received, so much so he closed out his chart-topping 12th studio album, Khaled Khaled, with a reggae banger, Where You Come From, featuring Buju Banton, Capitan, and Bounty Killer. Khaled explained that all those artists seen on his album on that song are friends that co-signed him in the beginning of his career. He said, "They used to give me dub plates and they put their hands around my shoulders saying, 'We love this kid,' and I never forgot where I came from." He went on to express that dancehall is a part of my story. Jamaica is a part of Khaled's story and it's such a blessing. I love reggae music and I love dancehall. Khaled added that he was proud to have aligned some of the biggest names in dancehall on Where You Come From. That reggae, Buju, Capitan, and Bounty have never been on a record together, and those are all big, huge reggae Jamaican worldwide icons, and that record is one of my favorite records, he said. They shot the visuals for the track at one of Khaled's favorite places on the island, Holy Mountain in St. Anne, without a video treatment. It was just old friends coming together to do what they do best, while the camera rolled on. The song has since racked up over 13 million views on YouTube. Khaled also confirmed that he's working on a track on Bounty Killer's upcoming album, King of Kingston, and that he was excited about the record. Bounty's album will reportedly feature over 30 plus artists. For the full article, check the link in the description box, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow us on all socials at DancehallMag.